Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a new style key fob from a push-button start Acura with a fresh one. We will need the help of a coin and a very small screwdriver, and we'll need a new CR2032 battery. But we'll start with a word of caution. We recently replaced the battery in a new Honda key fob, and the buttons slipped out of position. Acura cautions against this with this fob, so do be careful. A large flat surface would be best. We will keep it buttoned side down. The fob needs to be split into its two halves. To start, the mechanical key will need to be removed. Look for this small slide lever on the front of the fob. Slide it to the side and pull the key ring end, and we have the key. Note the gap left by the mechanical key. Twist a large coin in this gap to separate the halves. With the button side down, we find the battery in this side as well, our 2032 with its markings up. The small screwdriver will be needed to get beneath it. Slip the new battery in with its markings up, starting at the deep end of the fob. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, it can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery down once again. The two halves of the fob snap back together easily. Check that the buttons are in their proper locations. We touched the battery yet again doing this and gave it one more wipe. Return the mechanical key, then test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.